What if I told you there is a possibility you are not considering? What if everything you have worked hard for, your degrees, your promotion, your discipline, was pointing you in the right direction, but preparing you for the wrong destination? We live in a society where long hours and diligent work defines success, until retirement knocks and health fails, time shrinks, and legacies remain unstructured. Here is an uncomfortable truth. Many brilliant professionals are building castles on foundations that won't last beyond a paycheck or pension. In today's professional world, there is a silent script most of us follow. Get educated, get a good job, climb the corporate ladder, acquire a house, drive a decent car, invest in stocks or crypto, pray for a soft landing at retirement. It sounds reasonable, even successful. But what if I told you this script, while popular, is missing something critical? A formidable legacy. Millions of Nigerians spend decades working tirelessly, often sacrificing weekends, passion, and health, driven by the promise that retirement will be their reward. But for many, this promise turns into regret. People retire with high hopes only to be met with health expenses devolving into financial drain, years of missing out on rest, family time, and passion pursuits, lost opportunities. But what if the real road to lasting wealth, stability, and legacy lies not ahead of us, but beneath us, in the very land we already have, yet neglected? We often associate wealth with a thriving business, a crypto spike, or a stock boom, yet professionals retire with little to no reliable platform to build on, and no legacy to pass on. We equate wealth with a booming business, a crypto surge, or a lucky run on the stock market. Yet, one asset has consistently stood the test of time: land. The right utilization of it for wealth creation. Land is one of the oldest investment classes in existence, which in many cases has produced significant wealth over generations. It has been the foundation for great manifestation and the backbone for the most formidable legacies. Land is more powerful than a business because while every business is threatened by competition, land is the only asset that doesn't lose value in the midst of competition. The most valuable thing about land is the flexibility of its use, meaning you can build, plant, harvest, or even resell and lease at will. It is one of the few assets that have that capacity. While I could keep emphasizing the value of land, the right utilization of land for food production and manufacturing of agro-byproducts hold more value for both the Nigerian professional, our local community, and the overall Nigerian economy. In a nation like Nigeria, where food inflation averaged 30.6% in 2024, and over 70% of processed food inputs are imported, the professional who channels resources into agricultural production is not just investing, they are preserving health, sovereignty, and generational security.